tilapia fish is 8.3 centimeters long. The standard length of the tilapia fish is 6.8 centimeters long. Protrusible mouth extend its reach when attempting to snatch prey or food particles. It creates a vacuum when they open their mouths, creating a suction to snatch their prey. Branchiostegal rays, series of long, curved and pointed bones that support the branchiostegal membrane, also known as gill membranes. It is situated to influence water transport during ventilation as a wall of the chamber and as a valve to control the flow of water in and out of the gill openings. Maxillary and mandibular teeth to capture prey, crush and grind food. Operculum, bony flap covering the gills. It moves back and forth to move water over the gills, allowing the fish to breathe. It also serves as protection for the sensitive organs of the fish. Gills filament. They have a large surface area that will absorb oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide waste. They also regulate levels of ions and the pH of blood. Gill rachis. They are bony projections that help the fish feed. They will point forward and inward from the gill arches. Their number and shape point to the diet of the fish. Bulbous arteriosus has elastic components to dampen the pressure pulse generated by the ventricle to prevent gill damage. Ventricle pumps blood out into the bulbous arteriosus by the ventricle. This is responsible for the generation of blood pressure. Liver. They assist in digestion by secreting enzymes that break down fats and serve as a storage area for fats and carbohydrates. The liver also is important in the destruction of old blood cells and in maintaining proper blood chemistry, as well as playing a role in nitrogen excretion. Stomach, to further digest food and absorb nutrients.
Gallbladder helps digest food by storing and concentrate bile, a yellow-brown digestive enzyme produced by the liver. Spleen acts as a filter for blood and plays important roles in regard to blood cells and the immune system. Ovary plays a role in reproduction, which produce female gametes, which is called as egg or oocytes. Testes plays a role in reproduction, also called as gonads, produce male gametes, which is called as sperm. Intestine absorbs most of the nutrients from consumed food. Kidney controls the excretion and regulation of the water balance. Air bladder, buoyancy, contains oxygen and functions as a hydrostatic to enable fish maintain its depth without floating upward or sinking. Telencephalon, neural structure, tube shape, has a thickened side walls or lateral plates. Optic lobe, structure found in the midbrain of fish. Its function is to process and integrate incoming optical data from the eyes, detecting visual information like shapes and movements. Cerebellum receive information from the sensory systems, the spinal cord, and other parts of the brain, and then regulates motor movement.
The next fish is Megalaspis sp or torpedo cat. The total length of this fish is 10.5 cm. The standard length is 8.8 cm and the fork length is 9.5 cm. The internal organ of Megalaspis sp are stomach and intestines, spleen, pancreas, liver, kidneys, and pyloric caica. Pyloric caica. This organ is present at the junction of the stomach and intestine. It has finger-like projection and its function is to secrete enzymes that help in digestion. It also helps to absorb the digested food.
The differences in the internal organs between tilapia and torpedo's cat. Tilapia. Stomach of tilapia is smaller than torpedo's cat's stomach, while the stomach of torpedo's cat is bigger than the tilapia's. Next, the intestine of tilapia is longer than torpedo's cat because they are herbivore, while for torpedo's cat it is shorter because they are carnivore. Tilapia has coiled intestine, while torpedo's cat has straight and short intestine.